What up, trappers? As you can see it, that's the Jag in the background. I got the Blazer around the corner. Back there you can see those tail lights. We're about to load this puppy on the trailer, and Justin Hunsberger and I are on our way to Kalamazoo. Jaguar, New Year, Jaguar and Kalamazoo is where we are taking the Jag. I messed the keys up, broke the transponder in the key fob, so I had guy out here twice, couldn't make the key. We're gonna take it to Jag, have all the other keys erased so that way there's no keys running about to my car, and I'm gonna have 2 new keys made. They have to make 2. I don't know, it's just how they have the system set up, and so they're gonna make me 2 new keys. But let's get a look at the Jag. You guys haven't seen it yet. I've had some things done to it. I plan on getting plenty more videos. I got the sound system for it. We got the brakes, rotors done up, a few other things like that. So we're gonna get it done. Justin's right here. We're gonna get this thing loaded up, guys, and be on our way. What is up, trappers? We made it here. We are in Kalamazoo, Michigan at the newer Jaguar. We made it here. Justin's truck did the trip just fine. The trailer did great, and there she sits right there. Let's go over and get one more look at her as she sits here, and I got something else. It's sitting here on the lot. I gotta show you guys this. It's late as shit at night. I don't know if they want us in the parking lot, but I don't give a damn. I'm dropping my car off, and I can't help but look at this, and neither can we. So while we're here, we're gonna clip that. Let's look at the Jag one more time before we drop it off, guys. There it is. Man, I do like this car. It is a very pretty car. Down the side here, man, I hate to leave it here, but you know, that's what I got to do. I got to get this thing done right, and got to get her done. Hopefully she'll be back home soon. Maybe I come up tomorrow afternoon and drive her home, get everything started. So that's it, guys. We're gonna leave it here. We are here at the newer. Here's their building, the outside. It looks nice. We're gonna walk over here at their lot here and check something out. So in just a second, I'll have you guys. All right, guys, here it is. Bam, 2020 Toyota Supra, bright red. This thing is something else. This looks just like fun. Like, it just looks fun. I haven't heard it, they haven't started it, nothing. It just looks fun. I think they want 50 stacks. Look at these wheels. It's got the 2-tone wheels on here. Look at that. Look at the disc brakes, everything. Up here, look, they got the pedals on it and these detailed up. I can't believe they got this car sitting like this. But let's look inside if we can get a little glimpse in there. That's it, guys. That's the Supra. That's a hell of a glare, isn't it? But look at this fin back here. This thing is nuts. So nice. So nice. Let's get back here. Get a look at the rear end here. Bam. Man, and it is little. This is a very short car. Very short. You can see the LED brakes there. With probably titanium exhaust tips. All that nice stuff, I'm sure. There is not a whole lot to this car, guys. You're buying 50 stacks and it's all under the hood, because that's about all there is. There's not much anything left. It looks like it's all under the hood. There's no way you can be paying $50,000 for this much of car. There's no way. It's got to be under there. But it is beautiful, guys. It's almost midnight. We need to get back to Napanee. Got an early morning coming ahead of us. He's still got to go to work, and we're gonna wrap this one up, guys. But that's 2020 Supra sitting here. Maybe today I get some more clips of some other Jags. I come up and pick mine up, and maybe they'll show us something cool on the lot. But all right, guys, keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next one.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.